A butterfly rests its eggs on a leaf. Allah has taught the mother of this egg to place the egg on the leaf so that the baby will be able to eat. These eggs hatch a young caterpillar and it will need to eat from the leaf it was born on. Then it starts feeding on more leaves and starts to grow. Once it has finished growing, it curls itself up into a ball to form a cocoon, which will be its home for a little while. Although we cannot see it from the outside, on the inside, Allah is turning this caterpillar into something beautiful. After a little while, the cocoon cracks open and a beautiful butterfly comes out. Because its wings have been folded inside the cocoon, it has to wait for a couple of hours until they stretch out and then they can start flying. After a while, the butterfly lays eggs on a leaf and this cycle starts again. This is only one of Allah's many miracles in His creation. Miracles are happening every day whether we see them or not. The butterfly teaches us that not only can Allah create whatever He wants, but He can also change His creation from one thing to another. When we see or hear something amazing like this, we should say, Subhanallah. Remembering Allah when we see something amazing is one of the ways of getting closer to Allah.